Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, yesterday we read in geography that the different categories of land that is available for cultivation. We read land put to non-agricultural uses and the barren and uncultivated land. Dear students, today we will understand the difference between net sown area and the gross cropped area. Net sown area and the gross cropped area. Dear students, the total area sown with crops and orchards is called as net sown area. वो सारी ज़मीन जिस पर फसलें उगाई जाते हैं, जिस पर बागात हैं, जिससे हम एग्रीकल्चर के तौर इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो सारी ये परसेंटेज जिस पर ये फसलें उगाई जाती हैं, उसी लैंड को नेट सोन एरिया कहा जाता है. अराउंड 141.58 million hectares, that becomes 46.5 approximate land in India, which is under this category, net sown area. It means that nearly 55% of land is not under use for agricultural and for these orchards or crops. Only 46.4, as I told you, 46.4% land is in India. We talk of the India. In India's total land, 46.4% is under net sown area. Net sown area, you know now, the area on which crops and orchards are grown. Land under net sown area, this टोटल जो है, जो मैंने आपको बताया, 141.58 million हेक्टेयर्स ही काबिल इस्तेमाल है जो नेट सोन एरिया में आ जाता है हिंदुस्तान में. ग्रॉस क्रॉप्ड एरिया रिप्रेजेंट्स द सम टोटल ऑफ एरिया अंडर क्रॉप्स. I repeat, gross cropped area represents the sum total of area under crops. Total area which is under crops is known as gross cropped area. The net sown area and the land cultivated more than once make gross cropped area. What is gross? How we can assess an area, a gross cropped area? The net sown area and the land, cultivated more than once makes the gross cropped area. So, my dear students, it is now evident that the net sown area and the gross cropped area in India is not same. Having a lot of land, as we read yesterday, that we have A large area which is barren and uncultivated, which is under these rocky land, which is under these rocky forests, rocky land, and this sand areas, or we can say deserts. This rocky mountains, deserts, desert areas, it is totally uncultivable. We can't cultivate any kind of production there, and the area which we have for cultivation of crops, orchards, and other agricultural these products, its rate is 46.4. बच्चों गौर से याद रखना, जो हमारे पास नेट सोन एरिया है वो 46.4% ही है. कल आपको एग्ज़ाम में भी आ सकता है द परसेंटेज ऑफ नेट सोन एरिया इज़, इसलिए गौर से याद रखना बच्चों इस टर्म को. तो when we have only 46.4% of land under cultivation, then it is evident that more land is that which is uncultivable and less land is which is cultivable. The land which is cultivable and on which we get these orchards or crops, this is known as the net sown area. Gross cropped area represents the sum total of area under crops. The net sown area and the land cultivated more than once makes gross cropped area. Hope that you may have understand this term fully. So, dear students, it shows that this land, which is permanent, which is unchangeable, which we can't increase this the volume, we can't increase the area of this land, so it is as it was. So we have to practice every activity on this land, and we understand it that the area is diminishing day by day by our these activities, different activities, by these industrial activities, by these road activities and other techniques. So my dear students, today we learned the net sown area and the gross cropped area. Let us go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.